300. That is the number of eggs a single hen can produce every year, without ever needing a rooster. Imagine a food production line that runs 24/7, without a break, incredibly precise and fully automated. We crack eggs into our pans every morning without ever stopping to ask, how does such a small body manage to create such a complex structure almost every single day? It's not a coincidence. It's a biological process refined over thousands of years, where sunlight acts as the master switch. This is QC Project's Simple Things. Today, we're stepping inside nature's most extraordinary factory to understand why the ordinary egg is anything but simple. In simple terms, an egg is a complete life support system designed to protect and nourish a potential embryo. However, in hens, it is also an instinctive, periodic reproductive cycle. Unlike mammals, hens possess a unique reproductive system. They are born with thousands of tiny ova, potential yolks, in their ovary. The essence of egg laying isn't a pregnancy event, but a continuous biological rhythm where each yolk is released and packaged into the egg we see every day. The true essence of this process lies in its temporal precision. Every 24 to 26 hours, a new egg is formed during a journey of nearly 70 centimeters through the oviduct. This process functions much like an assembly line. The yolk passes through various stations to be layered with egg white, protein, wrapped in protective membranes, and finally encased in a hard calcium shell. Fascinatingly, this entire procedure is fully automated, governed by circadian rhythms and light, making the hen one of the most efficient food factories in nature. A question many people ask is, how can a hen lay an egg without a rooster? We naturally associate eggs with the start of a new life, but in reality, egg production and fertilization are two completely separate processes. At its core, daily egg-laying is a natural biological cycle for a hen, similar to ovulation in other animals, but occurring much more frequently. Her body operates on an internal endocrine clock. It automatically completes and releases the egg, whether a partner is present or not. Without fertilization, the egg is simply a perfect nutrient pack, which is exactly what we buy from the store. This is why supermarket eggs will never hatch into chicks, no matter how long you incubate them. Historically, roosters were kept mainly to protect the flock or for breeding purposes, not to maintain egg production. For the modern hen, laying an egg is a pre-programmed instinct that repeats every day. It is a relentless loop, a survival mechanism that nature has wired to run independently and steadily. Even though a rooster isn't needed to lay an egg, a full nest can trigger a completely different switch inside the hen. This is when the maternal instinct, known as brooding, takes over. At this point, instead of releasing a yolk every day, the hen's body abruptly shuts down the entire production line. Her hormones shift, transforming her from a producer into a protector. She sits stubbornly on the nest, using her body heat and feet to keep the eggs warm and gently turning them to ensure everything inside develops perfectly. While she looks peaceful on the outside, it represents a massive biological pivot. She stops laying, eats less, and pours all her energy into preserving the nest. It's a reminder that beneath every egg we have for breakfast is a much older biological purpose: reproduction, not food. So, why do modern domestic chickens rarely take a break to brood like their ancestors did? The answer lies in something we rarely connect to eggs at all. To understand why a hen lays an egg almost every day, we need to look at something unexpected: sunlight. For a chicken, light does more than help them see. It is a critical signal that tells their body to function. When light hits a hen's eyes, it stimulates the brain to release a specific hormone, commanding the ovary to release a new yolk. You can think of this as nature's way of telling the hen, the weather is great, food is plenty, now is the time to reproduce. This is why chickens lay abundantly during the long days of spring and summer, but naturally rest during winter when sunlight fades to conserve energy. Interestingly, humans have known this secret for a long time. Ancient Egyptians were among the first to build mud incubators, keeping fires burning constantly to mimic warmth and light, encouraging hens to lay year-round. Today, modern farms use electric lights to extend these summer days, ensuring a steady supply of eggs. However, even though we use light to drive this process, the hen's body still has natural limits that no machine can overcome. We often say hens lay eggs almost every day. That almost isn't just a vague estimation. It's the result of a mathematical misalignment inside their bodies. While our day is exactly 24 hours long, the process of creating a complete egg takes about 24 to 26 hours. This extra bit of time creates a fascinating shift. Each day, the hen lays her egg slightly later than the day before. If she lies at 8 a.m. today, it might be 10 a.m. tomorrow, and past noon the day after. Eventually, when the schedule slides too late, past the golden window of daylight, her body automatically hits the reset button. She skips that day to recalibrate her biological clock, starting a fresh cycle early the next morning. That almost is the essential gap that prevents this biological engine from running out of sync in a 24-hour world. And behind this relentless rhythm lies a high cost that most of us never see. Maintaining a near-daily laying schedule is a fierce energy battle. Every eggshell you touch is essentially a block of pure calcium, and to create it, the hen's body must mobilize every resource it has. If the calcium from her daily diet isn't enough, she takes a bold step. She draws minerals directly from her own bones. Chickens possess a unique type of medullary bone that acts like a mobile calcium bank. Tonight, she draws from her bones to weave a shell. Tomorrow, she must eat to repay that skeletal debt. It is a cycle that demands immense stamina. This is also why, over time, older hens begin to slow down. No matter how efficient a biological engine is, it eventually tires after repeating this intense process hundreds of times. So, the next time you open a carton of eggs, remember, it's not just food. Each egg represents a full day of relentless biological work, a trade-off of energy and minerals from deep within the bones of a living being. If you took a modern hen and dropped her back into the dense Southeast Asian jungles of thousands of years ago, she wouldn't survive. In the wild, pouring every bit of calcium and energy into producing 300 eggs a year is a biological suicide. Her ancestors, the red junglefowl, laid exactly 15 eggs, just enough to sustain the species before focusing on survival and evading predators. But when chickens stepped into the human world, an invisible contract was signed. We provided safety, abundant food, and warmth year-round. In exchange, through hundreds of generations of selection, we recalibrated their internal clocks. We stretched nature's brief breeding season into a cycle with no end date. As a result, the egg on your table is a testament to the power of domestication. It's not just a product of nature, it's the result of us redefining a species. Today's hen no longer lays eggs for herself or for the spring. She operates according to the rhythm of the civilization we have built. Despite the relentless rhythm we've set for them, a hen's body is not a perpetual motion machine. There are moments when this production line must stop, not because of a glitch, but because of a higher priority, her own survival. The clearest example is molting. To regrow a strong, warm set of feathers, the hen's body makes a drastic decision. It shuts down egg production to divert all energy and protein toward restructuring her exterior. At this moment, an egg becomes a luxury she simply cannot afford. Beyond molting, age, stress, or even a slight dip in temperature can cause this biological clock to stutter. Lying almost every day is, in reality, a peak performance state that only occurs when every condition is perfect. It serves as a reminder that behind the regularity we take for granted lies a fragile balance of energy, health, and the quiet priorities of life itself. Here is a 10-second rule to make you a smarter shopper. Next time you're at the store, don't just look at the expiration date. Check the texture of the shell. Spend 10 seconds lightly running your finger over the egg. A truly fresh egg will have a slightly rough, chalky texture and a thin, powdery coating, known as the bloom. If the shell feels perfectly smooth or shiny, it's often an older egg or one that has been heavily processed, losing its natural protective layer. Why does this matter? That roughness is the final shield preventing bacteria from entering. These 10 seconds of appraisal help you pick the best food while connecting you back to the healthy biological process we've discussed. The fresher the egg, the more intact that natural protective effort remains. We often take the egg for granted, a cheap, simple staple in our refrigerators. But after journeying through the oviduct, understanding the internal clock, and the heavy toll of skeletal calcium, we realize nothing is truly simple. Every egg is a masterpiece of persistence, the result of a biological engine working tirelessly for 26 hours. It reminds us that behind every ordinary thing we enjoy daily, there is an extraordinary effort happening in silence. Perhaps the world isn't lacking in miracles. We just need to slow down enough to look beneath the shell. If you enjoyed this story, tell us in the comments what simple thing we should explore next. Your idea might become our next episode. And this is QC Project, Simple Things. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the simple things in everyday life. Because what you see is never the whole story. There's always something deeper beneath the surface. See you in the next one.